SkillsUSA is a career and technical student organization that is focused on being the #1 workforce development organization for students. So we have over 444,000 members nationwide.
And most importantly, take a deep breath and have some fun.
We want to make sure that our students are not only technically skilled, but also their leadership, their personal skills, their workplace skills are also top of the line. Specifically with the collision damage appraisal competition, we have a multitude of industry partners who do this every day for a living. They are preparing these students. They create our technical standards on which the competitions are based.
Myself and Chris Evans from State Farm started this journey 8 years ago in order to start this competition. We started our first year with 12 students, and now I'm happy to say this year we have 40 students. What I realized is some other skills competitions, they're handwriting estimates. And my thought was, well, how can we get young kids excited about our industry and what we do if we're handwriting estimates? Why don't we bring our tablets in, our best software, and get them really excited about what the industry has to offer more from a technology perspective versus a car repair perspective.
There's a real shortage, not only of technicians and painters, but of front office people, estimators, customer service representatives, and all those things. And a familiarity with our software, with estimating theory and all those things, gives them the opportunity to be successful once they're able to get hired, I think.
They can see that the effort from the industry is behind them, and they get to make some key contacts. All in all, this provides them with a great idea that this is a big industry. There's a lot of people to support them here, and we want them to be successful.
Most of the folks that are here now are just so gracious with their time. Their companies are so gracious with their resources and supporting them being here. The people that are here are of the profile that they just want to help the industry.
There's a lot of stuff they don't teach you in school that happens at a body shop. This right here is a great place to softly and safely test your skills and meet a lot of people who want to help you. That's a big thing about it. They want to help you.
This is one of the best experiences I have ever had. I really wish more people would learn about it and do it and just take the lead, because this is amazing what everyone does here, all the people that put their time and effort into making this happen.
Trying to bring them up the right way and train them from the ground up gets them into good habits, gets them actually wanting this as a career and not just a job to have in the meantime. I think it's very important that we make sure that they're comfortable, they have all the tools that they need, all the knowledge that we can possibly give them to set them up for success to further their career as an estimator, whether it's for a body shop or an insurance company.
Going through this competition is going to help me a lot with my feedback that I receive from some of the other estimators there. A lot of the more experienced ones, I think they're going to help me kind of take off right when I get into the industry, fully set in as an estimator. I think it's going to help me a lot.
Without CCC1 donating their time, coming in, starting the competition, it gave us one more outlet for our students. It gave us one more great sponsor. It is an overall branch to allow the students to flourish. Without your sponsorship, without your help, we couldn't do what we do. So we need more like you.